Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Okay, seems like the mic is working well. Hello, my friend AF. How are you? Okay, I haven't scanned through the chart, so I will be doing it right now and see. But I think today we don't have much opportunity though. I look at SPY and SPY is actually coming down. What about the rest? Let me take a look. Hello, my friend Care. Hello, nice to meet you. Nice to see you. Yeah, I haven't scanned through the chart, so I just came to my computer. Okay, very good, very good. Yeah, so right now I'm actually scanning through all the charts and see whether we have any opportunities or not. Okay, let's see. MVTS today. NVTS. Oh, what stock is this? Oh, nice. Nice. I have not traded this. And yeah, I always look at charts like this. I don't normally trade them though. Yeah, I'm more afraid of buying. If of course, when it was at $1 plus, if you want to speculate the market or something, definitely you can go ahead, go and use options. But for me, usually I will just leave it, not my thing. Oh, Bitcoin is really strong. MSTR still alright. Okay, let's take a look at coin. Coin is also strong. How about the rest? Hello, Adrian. Hello, my friend. Okay. Seems like the overall market is actually correcting today. Yep, and it doesn't looks like it's ready as of right now. But of course, Tesla is in the very first zone that I like, and is showing signs of rejection. We have something like a, doji candle over here. So we might get some upside from this area. Okay, let's see. Let's continue scrolling. Nvidia definitely doesn't look ready. How about AMD? Okay, how more minutes? 2 more minutes to market open. Okay, AMD is looking really great. Let me extend the trend line a bit and set a new alarm. Yeah, I'm still waiting for AMD to be triggered. So can extend this as well. Let's see, what else do I have? Are you guys looking at any good instrument today? Because today the market looks pretty weak. Apple, I entered somewhere, I think here. It came one big round, took me out for a small profit. Yep, I should have exited long ago. Yeah, it was my bad. So right now, let's scroll through. Meta also doesn't look like it's ready. Seems like we won't have much opportunity like for at least the next 1 week or so. Hello, Sush. Good morning. Good morning. Are you from Singapore or you're from somewhere else? Because you say good morning. Here you should say good night to me. I'm in Singapore and right now is almost 9:30 p.m. Yeah, guys, I seriously think we won't have much opportunity for at least 1 week or 2 weeks though. This is the pullback that I'm actually looking for. Singapore, okay, good. So good morning to you as well. Okay. yes. Okay, Palantir, nice one. Yes, officially entered the zone that I'm actually looking for. Yep, so is this turquoise box to the bottom black box. Yep, is in this zone already, but because the overall market seems like it's actually pulling back a little, I have not taken any position at here at this place. I even gave up all my floating profit and took a loss today. Waste my time trading. Yes, Ivan, I'm not too sure whether you are here last week, but since last week I have been saying that SPY or the overall market is going to pull back. Yes, so I'm also giving back some profits. Yeah, but no matter how this is the thing about the market, like it will always pull back. That's why I was being very defensive, even though I took a few trades, but all of them are all day trades and risking roughly about 0.3% for the past, I think, a few days. They are not those my usual position size, because I know it will definitely pull back. It can't go up forever. Snow was snoring this morning. Hello. Yesterday night, die all the way. Yes, I think shortly after I ended the live stream, the market started tanking. Yeah, so I shift up all my stop loss and I only left with a few positions. So right now, under my face, right, those positions, they are not accurate anymore. A lot of them I have already gotten out. But Palantir as of right now looks super strong, huh? How about the rest? Let's see. SPY is still pretty weak. How about QQQ? QQQ is definitely stronger than SPY. Yeah, I still have positions in Palantir, but it is like way down there already. Yeah, it's like way at the bottom area. So I'm still okay to let it run. Let's see. Oh, snow. Let's see, snow. Amazon. Yes, Amazon. I got out again. Okay, Amazon. Snow. So on earnings, this thing just fired off. Good. If you are in the trade, very good for you. Can secure a little bit of profit and then let the rest run. Amazon. Let me see. Okay, I think am I still in Amazon or not? I have to check. You give me a moment. Let me see. Yeah, because these 2 days since yesterday, I have been doing a trading board for my group. So I was like pretty busy because I'm not a coder or a developer. Initially, I paid someone to do, but then the whole system just cocked up and it's not working well. So I decided to do everything by myself with the help of Perplexity. It's almost done already, like 80-90% done. Yeah, so I was very busy with doing the bot since like the whole morning until right now, just before I started live streaming. I stopped everything. Yeah, let me see. Did I take off Amazon? Where is my Amazon? Yes, Amazon I got out already. Yeah, yes, correct. I got out already yesterday. I think it was a small loss or something like that. Yeah, I'm totally out. Yeah, so I still have to wait again. Amazon is actually coming to the $200, which is pretty nice. So you definitely have to wait more. As long as I think below the $200, there should be some good opportunities. But then, just be careful, guys. Be more defensive. I think maybe I lost about 0.2, 0.3% because my risk I think is about 0.3. So maybe max I lose about 0.1 to about 0.2. Yeah, around there. So I didn't take the total loss. I got out of it yesterday night. I think we have like a dump or something. Okay, let's see. Swoosh. Let's talk about bond news which caused the sell off. Yes, of course. The bond news and including all the economic uncertainties about the tariff and everything. These are and including like the downgrading of the US credit rating from a triple A to a double A since I think last Friday, right after market close. Yeah, so all these are all the factors that actually caused the market to sell off a little. And of course, without all this news, just purely on technical itself, since last week live stream, I have been saying that SPY or the overall market, there's a chance for it to come to around this 576 area. Yep, so this trendline resistance, this white color trendline resistance, and this horizontal green color support. Yeah, so this is the area that I'm actually looking at. So with the news or no news, more or less this is actually quite expected. Yeah, in my whole group, I told everyone to be defensive rather than aggressive. So we have been securing profits rather than buying things, even though the trades that we bought are all day trading positions, trying to convert them into a swing trade. So very, very small risk only. Yeah, so we gave back a little bit of profit, but overall it's still okay. How much I lost? About 0.2, 0.3% of my position, of my account. Yeah, I didn't take the full loss for Amazon. Yeah, yesterday, after I think I ended the live stream like less than 5 minutes or so, the whole thing just dumped. Yeah, suddenly there's a like rapid sell-off. Yeah, no. Maybe about 2,000, 3,000 around there. Yeah, I don't usually monitor the figures. I will monitor the percentage more. The reason is because I don't want to scare myself, and you just use the charts or use technical analysis to identify like when you should get in and out of positions rather than looking at the figures. I feel that way I'm more, it doesn't affect my psychology so much. Yes, correct. I think, is it this? Let me see. Okay, because Amazon, I got stopped out 2 times already. I remember 2 times. Let me see again. Where is it? Yeah, after I exited Amazon, okay, this is... Oh yes, correct. My entry is 206, correct. After I exit my full position at 210, after that, I tried to enter twice, and both of the times it just stopped me out. I think the first time I took the full loss, the second time I took like partial loss. Some analysts said this latest bond auction outcome is one-off, which means market will recover end week. Recover by end of this week. Let me see. I can't give you a confirmed answer, but I do expect the market to chop around here for at least a little bit more. Maybe one more week or something. Yeah, I don't expect the market, to keep going up from here. Even if tomorrow or start of next week, the market start going up, I'm not very sure about that, because if you look over here, right, let's see this part. From this top, it's actually it's just Tuesday only. So Tuesday until today, we are only about 2 days, and the market dropped roughly about the lowest about 2.7%. It's not really a lot, and 2 days of dropping, I think, is still not quite enough as of right now. I think we need maybe a week or something. Then I will start to become more aggressive again. Of course, over here you can draw a trend line, but this trend line, we can monitor. I think we can monitor and see whether SPY will maybe come up to here. After that, maybe it will consolidate and then break out. If not, it can just come up to here. After that, go down again to about 576, 575 area. I think before that, then we will start going up again. This is my thoughts. Yeah, trust me, guys. Just be a little bit more defensive for this 1 or 2 weeks. At least for 1 more week, I think. Because I look at the overall market, it has been going up for a whole, how long already? About 4 weeks, almost a full 4 weeks. Yeah, so I don't think it will keep going up forever. Definitely, we need some sort of correction. Yeah, so today I think I'm also being more defensive. Even you see Palantir is in the zone already. This zone, which I love it so much, but because the overall market I feel that is quite weak as of right now, it's a temporary thing. Then I'm actually waiting for more downside again before I get into Palantir. Okay, guys, thanks for the follow. Thank you so much. Let's see some other instrument. Crowd is, yep, nothing for me over here, although it looks pretty strong today. Yeah, I need to see what positions I still left with. Then after that, I have to update my group as well. We need to shift our stop loss. Let me see. I think I use my phone will be easier. Guys, if you have any charts that you want to look at or any instrument, feel free to ask, alright? Yeah, because I have been doing this trading board for like 2 full days already, and I'm super confused with what's happening. Like, what did I update my group so that I didn't have a good look, you know? Okay, Amazon stop out. Okay, Google. Let me see Google. Google seems to have broken the resistance. Okay, I'm actually still in Google. Yes, correct. Let me see. What did I update? Okay, I still have a position in Google. I took some partial profit. Yes, Google is looking amazing. Yes, correct. I took some partial profit at 169.5. So around here. Now this area I took some partial profits already. I might shift my stop loss up to around this area for Google. You saw Amazon, then you go up. Okay, I think you can still wait for a little bit, just a little bit more. Yeah, for now, I don't see any confirmation for me to go long though. Let me see some other charts. I still got 205. Yep. I think is okay. It's okay. As long as you know the market can go up, go down a bit, go up, go down a bit. If your stock is really strong, it can still actually go up. But of course, I will always look at the overall market. If this SPY is coming down, the rest of the instrument, I think likely they will also come down together. If not, there's not much strength, then they will start to go sideways like this. Before SPY gets ready, then you will start to fire off again. Yeah, so a little bit difficult to pull the trigger right now. Even if I want to pull the trigger, I will do a smaller position size rather than doing a big one. Okay, let me scan through everything. Let me see. AMD, I think there's nothing for me to update. Yup, AMD, nothing. It came into the zone already. So this part, I definitely can wait for a little bit. Yep, I still have 70% of my positions in AMD. Google is doing good. Yep, Google is doing good. Can shift stop loss to about I think I will be conservative a bit. I shift it a bit higher, 169.15. Okay, I'll update them. How do I write? Okay, how much is it? 169.2 should be fine. 169.2. Okay, let me just go through everything. Okay, how about NVIDIA? NVIDIA is just around the same area. Okay, Meta, I got stopped out already. Sophie also everything out. Yeah, but I only left with these few positions only, no more. Everything is out. Yeah, yesterday I think most of them triggered my stop loss. Then I actually secured the profits already. Why is there so many orders on my account? Let me delete some. Okay, this is okay. Are you holding to anything? Any positions? Okay, Apple is disappointing. I entered Apple, I think maybe somewhere around here. It went one round. Here I took some partial profit. Then after that, it came all the way back to me out with a very, very small profit. Yeah, the garbage. Okay lah, Beach Boy, Amazon, still around the same level. Yeah, just around the same level. I will wait for a little bit more before I will start to look at Amazon again. Something that I like really a lot. I think based on how it's actually developing, you can see that right now it's quite a huge bull flag already. Yeah, so this has the potential to fire off, and the risk reward should be pretty awesome. Oh, Microsoft is so strong lately. It's just so strong. Google is also so strong right now. Wow, amazing. Should I take off some partial profits right now for Google? Is there any news about Google? How come it is like firing off? Is there any news? Okay, let me see where did I take my partial. Okay, yes, correct. I took some partial profit off maybe around here, right? Yeah, right now it didn't move too much away from my first target. I think I will just leave it. Maybe I can set an alarm here about 172. Yep, set the alarm here. So if we suddenly got a rapid sell off again, I will just exit everything. Don't need the liquid can hold or TP then buyback. Okay, right now sometimes if the market is strong, I might TP then I buy back again. But right now I don't think I want to do that. Yeah, because I seriously don't think that the market is ready to fire off. Yeah, and I have been really extremely careful for the past 1 week already. So even for today, you can see there's not much strength in SPY as well, which telling me that the overall market can definitely correct for a while first before we start to see more upside. Something of, I think, this size, maybe combine something like this. Yeah, so I think we still have maybe a few more days to a week more to go before we start another, a big move going up. But one more thing I think also quite concerning is that I read about, the US, they are going to refinance their debt next month. So I'm not too sure whether what kind of move they are going to play after that. Go and make the, bond price or that go, the yield actually goes lower, then they can refinance at a better rate. Yeah, this is something I'm not too sure as of this moment. And even if you look at this thing, right, let me show you this. Sometimes I do look at it, but then of course this is not very accurate. It's the S&P seasonality chart. And you can see from here, right, May and June, usually they are not very strong. Towards the end of May, it actually gives you like this, maybe I zoom in a bit more for you. Yep, so this is May. So maybe around end of May, you have like this big move go up all the way until maybe about start of June. Then that's when the market goes into a correction mode. But of course, these are all historical data. It's just the average of, I think, maybe the past 20 years or something. And it's not like super reliable, but something to put into consideration. So maybe right now we are actually at end of May already, and we might be able to see this like big move going up. But based on the market condition, I seriously don't think we will see that big move though. Right now is what's the date already today? Today is 22nd. Yeah, so maybe from now it can actually fire off. From here just fire off. Hello bro, hello friend. Me, I'm okay. I gave back a little bit of profit. So I got out a lot of my positions already. Yesterday night, I think I shift my stop loss up, then a lot of them got triggered. So right now, I only left with a few positions like Nvidia. What's your play today? Trying to catch your life as often as possible. Okay, Step Bro, my play for today, I think I'm more defensive as of right now. I have a few positions that I actually like AMD, Tesla. Tesla is also one of them. Okay, AMD is because if you look over here, the AMD has already entered this black color zone, and right now, I would more prefer that it comes down to about 110.50, so it's at least minimally below the 50% range of this box. From here, I might buy a little bit of AMD. I might add into my position. Then Tesla. Okay, Tesla is amazing lah. It went into the box, give you this, a doji candle, something like that. It looks like a doji. This one, then right now it looks like it's going to fire off. Yeah, so right now we have like a bullish engulfing candle. Yeah, something to watch for Tesla today. Maybe I will also buy. I'm also out of, I have my positions are all out for Tesla already. Right now I don't have any more positions in Tesla. I think I exited here. Yes, correct, here. I exited here. I think it was a Monday or something. Yes, correct, Monday. One more is actually Palantir. Palantir is also one of the trades I'm looking at. It actually entered my zone, but just now, from since yesterday night or something, we have that sell off, and SPY pulled back quite a bit more than all the other tech stock. So even for Palantir, it entered my zone. I don't know whether there's any strength or not. I didn't take the trade. So right now, I'm actually waiting for the breakout. Maybe give me a small pullback or something. I will take Palantir again. I still have 50% of my positions in Palantir, which I have been holding. since this bottom over here. So it went out, did a super big like corrective structure. Right now we looks like we are going to break out soon. Yeah, so Palantir I definitely will add into it. Can check out hymns. Okay, sure. Yeah, guys, today if I talk like out of topic or something, bring me back, okay? Because I have been doing programming. I'm not a programmer or a coder, but I'm making a bot since today morning. Yeah, early in the morning, I think about 9 plus, and I have been doing the bot all the way until before I started this live stream. So maybe 1 or 2 minutes before that, I stop, prepare everything, then I just start this live stream. So I'm already a bit tired. Yeah, but of course the bot is doing really, really well, and it's going to be done, I think likely tomorrow. Okay, bro, this one, let me just put on this trend line. Okay, you have a very big, quite a huge corrective structure over here. But overall, let's look at the higher time frame. Higher time frame looks quite good though. This is a trending stock. Yes, it looks pretty nice. Are you looking to buy? If you are looking to buy, usually when I see such a big structure, I will go down to the 1 hour. I will wait for a small, impulse going up. Then it starts to pull back. This pullback, right? I will start to look for entry to buy. Normally, I will try not to pick the bottom because, for sure, I won't know for 100% like when this is going to stop dropping or correcting. Yeah, so I will usually use that technique. I wait for impulse first. Yeah, even over here, there's one zone which you can actually keep a lookout, which is actually over here. I think I pulled the box too big already. And let's go down to 4 hours, see whether we can refine it or not. Yep, this zone, I'm not too sure it will come here now because it's actually quite a distance. It's about $47.15 to $43.20. Yeah, quite a huge zone. I'm not too sure it will come here or not, but of course, if you want, if this stock doesn't come inside here, right, you can just wait for, a very small move going up. Once it starts to pull back, from here or give you a bull flag, something like that. From here you find an entry, then start buying up. Something like that. Okay, do you see UNH? UNH, I never watched it. I have a guy in my group. He also bought UNH, I think in really good profit right now. Yeah, he asked me about it, and I just asked him, go and buy options, okay? Don't buy the stock. Yeah, UNH is looking amazing lah. This 385 area shouldn't be an issue. Definitely this can go up, come down a bit, go up until this 385. I don't think it's much of an issue. Amazon, you lost so many K. Yes. It's actually a small amount for me because initially my very first position in Amazon, it was at a extremely good price. My risk reward for this trade, let me see how much is it. I check, then I update you. That's why I'm okay to give back a little bit. Let me see. My first trade for Amazon, where was it? AMZN. Let me do a search. Yeah, if you want, I can actually show you lah. I search AMZN. AMZN. Where did I enter the first Amazon? Let me see. Okay, I close everything here. This is partial profit. New stock entry. Okay, I can show you this, no issue. Okay, I can show you this part. So if you look at my group, you can see that my first position I bought on the latest one before the recent one. I actually bought on 30th of April. The price is 180.5. Stop loss is 174. So by the time it reached 210, which is $30 away, and my risk is about $6, my risk reward is 1:5 already. Yep. I close off everything at 1:5. This trade I remember quite clearly because the risk reward is actually not bad. Yeah, even over here you can see I set the take profit at 210, and last Monday after the market gap up, it straight away triggered me. I got no chance to actually increase my stop loss. I increased my take profit. Yeah, so I got out of everything at 210. Yep. Amazon, wow, it's coming back, guys. Do we have volume? Oh, there's a little bit coming in, which is a good thing. Oh, some of the stocks are actually pumping already. Okay, guys, so before I answer all the comments, I want to see whether I can take any opportunity now. Wow, this one, the stop loss is a bit wide though. Yeah, maybe I have already missed Tesla. Maybe I can try Nvidia. I will do a small day trade for Nvidia. I will put my stop loss at 131.4. Okay, I will take a small trade on Nvidia. $131.4. How many can I buy? Let's see. Okay, I can increase a bit more since the stop is not huge. Okay, sure, I will buy right now. Okay guys, I'm actually buying Nvidia, so give me a little bit of time. 121.4. Okay, I'm all done. Okay, let's go. Okay, back to okay guys, I think I want to buy a few positions. Let me check through all my charts. Yeah, yesterday I exited quite a lot of them, and yeah, Palantir is also looking really nice, but I think this one I will take the breakout trade instead. So I'll wait for a little bit. What else? SPY looks like it's coming up. Maybe this trend line is the resistance. From here it can actually totally just go up. Maybe swoosh is actually right, so by end of this week or something it can start firing off. Definitely, we are actually at this white color upper trend line, like the sloping trend line resistance. Okay, let's see what else can I buy. Amazon, any opportunity? Okay, I think Amazon I will not be so aggressive. I will widen my stop loss a little bit. I think I will take it as a swing trade then. 198. I will put my stop at 198. I'll try again. Give Amazon another try, okay? This time I will not be doing a day trade for Amazon, because the day trade for Amazon, it has not been doing well for the past 2 times. Okay, because we just... Okay, wait. Amazon, I'll wait for about 30 minutes more. Then I keep you updated. I will not buy now. I want to see some confirmation that there's strength coming in. Then I buy. Okay? SPY looking good. How about QQQ? Let's see. QQQ, wow, strong. It's really strong. Okay, this garbage Intel. I actually have a long-term investment in Intel, and I'm thinking of exiting all the long-term investment in it. It's not moving anywhere at all, and although I bought at a very good price. What price did I bought? Let me see. I bought at $20.70. So $20.70. Nope, it's not a good price. It's my trading position that is good. My trading position is here. And then the long-term investment I bought $20.70. So somewhere maybe around here. So not fantastic. And it has gold, one big round. And if this doesn't fire off in the next few weeks, I'm going to take off everything. I don't like to wait, Okay, just let me scan through a few more instruments that I usually trade and see whether I got any alarm triggered or not. Yeah, so far only Amazon triggered. Apple, Apple, if you want, you can do a position trade, but the stop loss is huge though. If you entered here at 201.6, your stop loss might have to be about 194.5 or something if you want to do a position trade. Okay, guys, I miss out a lot of comments already. Okay, let me see which one did I miss. Okay, so your chart show Tesla support was 330, was it? Okay, Tesla, let me see. Yes, about 332 to 327 is a nice area. Yeah, we actually take the zone, then right now it looks like it's going to fire off. So I will monitor for a bit. Maybe later on I will drop down to the 5 minutes or something. I wait for a small pullback around here. So right now we are actually in the 5-minute chart. Then after that, if I got a pullback, I might buy Tesla. So no issue, I can let it run right now. Definitely no problem for me. Oh, what happened to the comment? Let's see. Step bro, great analysis. Okay, thank you so much. Google still pumping, go see. Okay, Google definitely, yes, pumping. That's a very good thing. Maybe later on or tomorrow before the market close or something, I might book even more partial profits for Google. Did you set TP? Swoosh TP for which trade? So sorry, I was analyzing the chart and I think all the comments and whatever I look at doesn't tally anymore. You going in on Nvidia? Yes, bro. I went into Nvidia already. Nvidia you bought now but thought is overbought at this price. Yes, correct. Definitely I'm actually looking for a larger correction or something. I'm not too sure whether it will fire off or not. That's why I'm actually taking a day trade only. My stop loss is super small. My stop loss is, I think, just right under here, 131.5. So this is more or less around like the 10 minutes after the market open price. So I just set it over here. A very, very small risk. Now Nvidia now 133 going to 134. Yes, so I will definitely we need to wait a bit lah. Nvidia right now is 10:10. So maybe wait until about 11 p.m. or something, then come back and see. Since I already set the stop loss at here, I think there's nothing much to worry. Even if I take the loss, I'm also okay with that. Yeah, Nvidia also give me very good profit already. So right now, all these are just small positions to see whether it can actually fire off from here. Okay, yeah, QQQ, my best performer this month. Wow, nice, nice, nice. I still got my Google position. ALVV, good, good, very good. I also still have my Google position. Yeah, sometimes I will, do a little bit of day trading, but then my day trading, I intend to convert them to swing trade rather than just taking off the profit today. And you see, Palantir is also the same thing. It just don't have any confirmation for me. This type of trades are all the high risk trade in my opinion. Yep, SPY is, although today is green already, but I seriously have no idea. I think we need to wait a bit more, maybe for an hour or two, something like that, to see whether this will start to fire off or not. Tesla. I want to try to get into Tesla. Let's see what can we do here. Yep, there's no more zone for me to plot on Tesla on the daily time frame. 4 hours. Yes, that's the only zone already. Maybe Tesla really will fire off from this area. Yeah, the reason why I have been doing this bot, right, for the whole 2 days is because I'm actually doing a tracker. At the same time, there will be links for them to click, directly link them back to like where was the first trade being open, and then what was the latest update and everything. Yeah, that is something that has been bothering me for a while, because I think my group, a lot of them, they sometimes ask me like, I can't find where you open the first trade. And quite a number of them actually told me about it. That's why I decided to do the bot. And my computer is so laggy, super laggy. Oh my god. Okay, Amazon. Okay, hold on. My mouse is going crazy. Let's check the volume. Okay, guys. Why is my computer so laggy today? Did I open... What did I open? I didn't open anything, right? Why is it so laggy? Yep, nothing. Everything looks fine. Yep, Amazon, let me check any volume coming in. A little bit, but no confirmation for me as of right now. I need to wait a little bit more, maybe another 15 to 30 minutes before I will be interested to buy again. Oh, I know what is lagging already. It's actually the TikTok Live Studio. TikTok Live Studio again is always you. Why is it so laggy? This software is like so buggy, I think I can see let me check this whole one. Yeah, the TikTok Live Studio is extremely laggy. The moment I hover over the thing, it just lag. Okay, maybe I put our chat on another side. Then after that, maybe this main monitor will be better. Okay, guys, thank you for the follow. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, Meta, another one. Looks like we are going to break out pretty soon. Do I have to close off something or what? Why is it so laggy, huh? Okay, let me close off some of the stuff on my second monitor. Yeah, but I think I will maybe need to close off some things over here, is it? How come it's so extremely laggy? Baron FX, do you have a Discord? Yes, I have a Discord group. It's a paying group. And if you would like to join, I welcome you. Ho ho ho, bro, are you doing property? Yes, I'm also doing property. Yes, I do a lot of things. Okay, everyone every time asks me like, whether you should do trading full time or that. For me, I think if you can have multiple source of income, don't give up on anything. Take everything and do everything. Okay, while you are still young. When you reach my age, your energy level will go down a little bit, okay? And then you will start to, like Noah or something. That's when you don't have the motivation to chong anymore. I like to join your Discord. Can, bro, but I don't think my TikTok live stream allowed me to send any links on the chat though. Let me try again. Because I've been trying for a few times. It just banned me. Yeah, I can't send you links over at the comment. So if you want, you can actually drop me a DM or something. Then from there, I send you the link. Because I think maybe my account is very new or what. Like simple things, I look at some other famous TikToker. Their account, they can put on like this playlist or these highlights, but my account don't have this at all. Then when I went to do some research, they say that I need about 1,000 followers before they allow me to do all this. Okay guys, let me just refresh. Let me close off this, and then let me try to open my browser again. I'm not too sure why my chart is so super laggy. See, I pressed the close button and it's not closing at all. Okay, after I close it off, you all will see my daughter. Is my daughter cute? You like it? So ask whether I'm married or not. Yes, this is my daughter, okay? She's very cute. Okay, I can use this. I need to open up the history. Let me see. Okay, restore this window. Hopefully it's not that laggy anymore. Is it because I open too much browser? Let me close this off. What else do I need to close off? I think it's better. It's better right now. Yes, it's better. Talk to you later, bro. Waiting for pullback before entering again. Think most are overbought already for day trading. Swoosh. Yes, correct. You're right. I also think that no, even I entered this one, I think it's a bad move lah. It's a bad move. Yeah, even the rest of the positions, yeah, you see, even Amazon, it looks like it's going to break out, but then it looks like it's coming back again. Yes, so definitely is good to be defensive as of right now, because for me, I'm also not going aggressive, just taking one very small day trade position just to try. Yeah, Palantir, I think I want to enter this so badly, but then I think guys, we wait lah, huh? We wait. Don't be aggressive like what Sush has mentioned. I give you 1K first. You give me 1K. Oh, you mean the 1K like, is it? Hey, don't need, don't need, no need. It's okay, it's okay, no problem. But thank you so much, really. Thank you so much. TB7. Don't spam until your hand, hurts or something. Okay, TB7, shorting Palantir. Nope, I'm not looking to short Palantir. I'm actually looking to long instead. But because of the current market condition, the whole market, like, it just looks quite overbought. That's why most of my position has already exited last night because I shift my stop loss up, and then right now I'm just left with a few. Yes, waiting for a breakout. Yes, correct. We have like FVG over here, fair value gap. It actually triggered, I think, during the pre-market session, but then I didn't take it because of last night news. So right now I'm being a bit more conservative. But usually when they come into my zone, I will take it. But today, no, I didn't take it. Okay, guys, thank you for the follow. Thank you. Yeah, Palantir, I'm more interested in the upside, but right now, because the main issue is SPY. SPY, I'm actually looking for it to come to about 576 or 575, somewhere around there. Maybe over here, of course, it can go up a bit. Then maybe we drop down again. From here, it will give me more confidence that the new trend is going to start. Because if you just look back at the past, we have been going up since here though. This is, I think, 22nd of April, all the way until this high is about 28 days. So 4 weeks already. 4 weeks of trending up without much pullback. Definitely the market will pull back. Yeah, I also think overstretch. Even today, I tried to do a day trade on Nvidia. It doesn't seem like it's going to perform well. Yep, I think I did a bad move today. I have been very patient, not taking any trades, saw that, but then today I took one. I just placed my stop loss over here, so a very, very small risk. Yes, bro, you looking at any instrument? Anything to recommend me? I have been looking at these few instruments only, and all of them doesn't look ready. It's going to be boring, I think, maybe until market until end of this week or something. Wow, a lot of people also looking at snow. Is it because after the earnings? Yes, right now I'm also more cautious. Securing profit is definitely more important than trying to enter right now. Snow, the earnings is good, is flying up. Are you in snow as well? Fib resistance. Wow, fib resistance, you are looking at where? Are you looking at this? From this high to this low over here? Nope, you're definitely not looking at this. It hit a fib resistance. How do you put your fib? Yes, snow I have not been trading. Yes, I have not been trading it for a while already. This somewhere around here, I think, was my very last position. I think this breakout is my last position in snow. But I have already exited, I think, long ago though. I didn't hold it for a long time. Okay, let me switch on some music. Okay. Yeah, the market looks like it's slowing down today. Yeah, there's not much movement already. The market just slowed down after this, a slight spike up and that's it. What time already? 1 hour, almost 1 hour in. But hopefully we don't get another sell off, like last night or something. I'm looking more at shorting cause market pulling back. Yes, definitely you can do that if you know how to short the market. Yes. Okay, I think this Nvidia is not going to go as well. Yeah, but not bad, huh? I think you are the very first one that come over here and tell me you want to short the market. Yeah, normally whenever I talk about shorting, I think people get a bit scared because they say that the loss is unlimited, all that. But of course, we are in a liquid market. If you short and you try to get out, it will be possible. Your loss won't be unlimited. As long as you just buy back the amount of shares that you short, it will be fine. Tesla. Seems like maybe I will miss this opportunity over here. What else? Yes, correct. I also short the market sometime, but I have not been shorting for a while already. The last time I short, I think was around here. Yeah, it was around this area on SPY. So this is actually a daily chart. So maybe about start of March area, I shorted a little bit. After that, once I gotten out of some of my trades over here, this whole dump after Donald Trump announced the reciprocal tariff, I wanted to short but no opportunity. So every single day it just gap down and gap down and gap down. And so this whole area, I almost didn't do anything at all. Okay guys, if you're new to this live streaming, I'm actually looking for SPY to come to about this horizontal support area, which is roughly about 576. Yeah, from here I think the market will start another rally going up. But as of right now, it looks like it's correcting more than going up. Yeah, but we right now just have to be more patient and see and wait for market to complete before we get any opportunity. Yeah, bro, if you want to short, not sure whether Apple fulfill a criteria, your Apple fulfill a criteria or not, because this Apple has been pretty garbage for about 1 week right now. Ivan, losses trading super tiring. Haha, losses keep stacking. Your losses keep stacking? Is it? Okay, soya milk, zero sugar, SPY put option. For me, I won't enter SPY put option at this current moment. No, for me, no, I won't do that. Yep, if I want to enter SPY put option, I would have entered, I think that time, I think last week or something when it reached around this like 592 resistance, this red color resistance area, I might buy a protective put, at 592. But right now, I think you just need SPY. I also don't think it will dump a lot though. I don't see that coming because so far the news all that is still quite positive. There's nothing like too impactful. So likely, I think about 576 can start to look for more upside. But today, of course, I also did a bad move. I shouldn't have do a day trade on Nvidia. I did a day trade, so I entered. I think I entered somewhere here. Then after that, I placed my stop loss over here. If it's a very very small trade only, so if this doesn't go, maybe I have to take the loss also. Hello stranger, good evening. Yes, good morning to you. Okay, we are trading, so it's morning, it's not at night. I even trade for some time, we realize all strategy work for some period of time. Risk management is only the thing within our control. Yes, correct. I also believe that strategy, there's a lot of different type of strategy, and some of them will work for some sort of situation, some will work for different types of situation. But of course, as long as you stick to your strategy and your risk management, I think in the long run you should be fine. Even for myself, sometimes I do take losses. Like these few days, I have been taking some losses also. Although my previous trade before, because my previous trade, most of them I really like close it off or something, right? So I tried to enter very small position doing day trading, but most of them don't go well. Like even for Amazon, I took a loss on it for 2 times. And what else? I think, wait, let me see. Meta, no, Meta, I haven't taken a loss yet. It's still around. I think right now it's in slight profit. But today I also did something aggressive. I went into Nvidia. You know, this can be a bad move in my opinion. Because I entered, I think here, this, green color candle, this green color candle, I entered here. Right now it's around break-even price. And I just placed my stop loss under here. So risking about maybe less than $2, maybe 170 or something. No, $1.70, $1.80 around there. Which, if market don't have strength today, I will take a loss on this day trade as well. When you buy multiple shares for swing, do you sell cover call? No. I don't usually do that. When I enter multiple position for multiple shares for swing, okay, if let's say you are talking about the same stock, like let's say for Nvidia, I entered multiple positions, right? Let's say if I entered on this breakout, after that when it starts to go, maybe here, it give you another bull flag and I like it. Then once it break out already, I entered somewhere around here again. Okay, let me zoom in. I forget the chart might look very small. Okay, so let's say if I entered my very first trade here, then after that when it starts to go up, give you this bull flag, then maybe you break out again, I entered again. So what I will do is that this position, the very first position that I entered, I will move to break even already. So maybe my stop is here, I move up to break even at my entry price. So right now I'm only risking one position over here. This one is totally break even already. I need to make sure that I'm able to minimally break even my very very first position. Then I will considering adding on. If I can't, I won't enter. This is something that I do. So I will slowly, scale in bit by bit, something like that. Okay, are you also waiting for QQQ to come back to around the 510 area? Let me see, QQQ. Oh, QQQ, I never draw anything though. Normally, I just draw on SPY. Of course, if you want, we can try over here. Okay, we try this. This one looks okay. This one definitely looks okay. Let me just see whether is it connecting correctly. Okay, let's go down to the 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour we can do a bit of adjustment on the trend line, make it more accurate. Then after that we have another one somewhere from here. Okay, I think I will redo this. I'll connect this one instead. Wait, what happened? What did I press? Here to here. Okay, so for QQQ, we are somehow like in between these two, like, trend line resistance. Of course, let me see. Okay, there's a chance QQQ can come back to here instead. Okay, let me just delete this one first. Okay, I don't think this is quite relevant. I think this area is more relevant because if you just open the 100 EMA and 200 EMA together with this trend line resistance, this is a very nice confluence area that I think maybe can come back to somewhere around here. Then after we start another rally going up, something like that. Yeah, this is like a confluence area. I'm not too sure whether it will come or not, but of course, if SPY or QQQ really give us a deeper pullback, that will be extremely good for us because I will start finding a lot of swing trades. I don't normally like to do day trades. I think the profit is a little bit small and it's not something I'm super good at. So some areas you definitely can keep a lookout. Okay, let's say today I entered quite big size on gold long, was floating very big profit for 6 hours, end up loss. Gold is XAU. No, I saved down gold. Okay, we just can click here. Gold. Oh, you enter very big size today. And after that you entered in a loss. So you should be buying. Oh, okay. Ivan, right? Ivan was the one who who talks about gold. So I believe most likely you entered maybe early in the morning around 9 o'clock or something. Then you have like this, huge move going up. Then right now it's actually pulling back a little. Is it? TB7, no problem. Yep, guys, just be defensive, okay? Defensive for a little bit. Now, maybe a week or so. Then after from there, we should be able to find some nice swing trading opportunities. Ivan, you bought gold at around maybe $3,320 around there. SPY is coming down. Yep, SPY I'm actually looking at 576 is the confluence area here. 576. This green color horizontal line. Now this is the confluence. Okay, let me see for my NVIDIA trade. Okay lah. Bro, I don't think it will go lah. I will just take a very, very, very small loss or even a break even. Let's see whether I can break even or not. I don't think I can break even. But I think I will just exit everything. No point holding on to this already. It's almost an hour in, and after that it's not moving anywhere. Then I will close off everything for this position. Wow, I always fail this facial recognition though. What happened? Maybe I grow old already, is it? Then I need to use my time print, now that. Okay, this is wasting time. I will just close everything and wait for a bit. Okay, wait, Jean, what about trailing stop? Trailing stop, I rarely use trailing stop. I like to shift it manually myself. Yeah, I don't use trailing stop because I always wait for pullback. Then once we, market like to move like that, right? We move like we have a high, a lower high, a higher high, a lower high, a higher high. Market likes to do this, right? So let's say if I entered, somewhere in between this impulsive move going up, somewhere in between, I place a stop loss here. So I wait for the trade to go up, come back again, go up, break above the previous high. After when this thing starts to go from here, right, I shift my stop loss from the low to here. Then after that, when this trade go all the way up again, pull back. After that, when it starts to go again, breaking the previous higher high, I will shift my stop loss from this low, go up again. I keep repeating this process over and over again until one day it will just suddenly do a bigger correction or bigger pullback. That's when I will get taken out. So usually just by using a very simple method like this, you can already secure roughly about minimally about 80% of the move. It won't be 100%, but at least about 80%. Yeah, then you don't have to second guess where it will top or bottom or that. Just keep shifting your stop loss. Someday your trade will get stopped out and then you secure all the profits. Apple, nothing. Amazon, really no confirmation. Really no confirmation. Have to wait. Really have to wait. Nice. Got any example on this on any stock recently? What example? What do you mean? What kind of example? Oh, you can just use any stock, even SPY. You can do that as well. Then something like this. I can give you an example over here. So if you look at the bottom area, right, which is somewhere here. Let's say you entered somewhere here. Okay, let me zoom in this part. Let me just zoom in, huh? So let's say if you entered SPY here, so you can see from here we have a huge move going up, then pull back. After you go up again, you break above this high, right? Correct? You break above already, so maybe you place your stop loss somewhere at the low. You shift your stop loss up to here. Then after that, when SPY go up, come down again, go up again, break above the previous high, you shift your stop loss from here to here. After that, this thing just come down, come up, come down, very, very close to your stop loss. But then right, after that, this thing just fired off. Yep, so usually I will just keep shifting and shifting and shifting. Someday it will just take you out of everything. Now, this was what happened to my Amazon trade. Then after that, from here, if you want, you can continue again. So after this huge move going up, you have a pullback, right? So after that, it went up again, break above the previous high, you shift your stop loss from bottom all the way up here. Then after, give you another pullback, go up, you shift your break above this high, you shift your stop loss up again. After this thing keep going, pull back, correct? But then didn't hit your stop loss because your stop loss is here, right? Then after that, you just keep going up again, break above the previous high, you shift again. You just keep repeating this process over and over again. Yeah, it's a very simple method of using just, the higher high, lower highs, all that. The one you mentioned about shifting stop loss. Okay. Got any play to make small profit tonight? Options. So I mean, for me, I don't think I have really. Right now, it's just about protecting my profit rather than trying to be aggressive. I seriously don't see any opportunity. Even in my own group, I told them already for this 1 or 2 weeks, expect a slower market. Yep, we won't have much opportunity. Even I tried to do a few day trade. I think these few days since Monday, I think I took about 3 day trades already, and 3 of them are losses. It did went up a bit, but I didn't close the position because I'm actually trying to convert them into a swing trade using just very, very small risk. But it didn't turn out well. But of course, my swing trades, they are all doing extremely well. Just the day trade not doing well. TB7, nice idea. Shall try the next time on swings. Yes, you can try that. It's a very, very easy method. Yeah, so Milk, you have anything that you are looking at or you want to recommend to me? For me, I'm just really sitting out. really sitting out. Even just now, the Nvidia day trade that I took, I closed it already with a very, very small loss only. Palantir moving up. Really? Oh, nice. Palantir is really a very special stock. Every time when there's uncertainty or that, this stock just don't die. It just keep moving up. It defies all logic. Yeah, Palantir, I will wait for a little bit. Yeah, but if this time around, even if I take the breakout trade, that's the issue, you know, the stop loss is quite large. Where should I place my stop loss? UNH dying. Okay, we go to UNH first, then after that we come back to Palantir. I think UNH is because the overall market today is really not strong. So even if we can go to FinBees, we go and take a look. I do a refresh first and see how's the overall market. Let's take a look. FinBees. Why is it not loading? Is it because of my computer or the website? Yep, the only one that's extremely strong. Why like this? Yeah, my computer is so laggy right now. I have never had this issue. Yep, the most strong one is actually Google and Palantir. Palantir is up 3%, you know. The rest you can see. Just purely looking at this, you can tell about 70-80% of the market is not doing well today. That's why most of the stocks, they are all coming down. Only these few, you know, outliers, they are performing better. Just the mega techs. But of course, if the mega techs, they are doing well, but then the rest of the sectors are not, right? Usually I will try to be also more careful because you know, the mega techs, although they consist like 30% of the whole S&P, I don't think they can carry the whole weight of everything going down together. And I think sooner or later, those mega tech, likely they will also dump together. Yeah, the correction or pullback doesn't look like it's done right now. We definitely need more correction. Yeah, right now, I'm also thinking, should I totally exit my Google or not? But I did shift my stop loss up already to 169.2. Yep, somewhere here. So just now TB7, right? So TB7, I entered Google, I think here. Okay? Then after that, this thing go up, go down, go up, go down, go up. So I keep shifting my stop loss from here to here to here, and right now because of the market condition, it doesn't look so strong, so I shift my stop loss to 196.2. so from here I shift up again. Okay, we need to go back to UNH. UNH just now, Butter Cookie is asking, UNH dying. I don't think it's dying lah. I still think that it can go up, but of course, maybe right now over here just chop a bit, up and down, then after it will go up to about the 385 again. But I think yesterday there's another news about the fraud on nursing home, right? I don't know whether did that actually affect UNH or not. I think it does, correct? Maybe this like, you know, bigger spike down might be the news about the nursing home thing. Yesterday there was a bond auction near closing. Near closing, is it? I thought it was midnight, about 2 a.m, 3 a.m or something like that. Oh, anyway, the shift stop loss you using normally which timeline chart? Usually I will use 1 hour. It all depends on you because I have huge monitor, right? So 1 hour I can see a lot of data. If you're using laptop out there, maybe you can try 4 hours instead. Yep. Okay, what platform are you trading on, boss? I'm using Interactive Broker and Momo. So far, I like Momo a lot because the interface looks more modern than Interactive Broker. Interactive Broker looks like the year 2000 computer. Is ugly like hell. It doesn't feel pro or something. It doesn't look modern. Okay, TB7, no problem. Cha T. Okay, noted. Thanks, bro. No problem. Cause I do more day trades for swing, I should try this more. Can definitely. For me, I'm not very good with day trading. I can say that my day trading winning rate is maybe 50 to 70% max, but my swing trading and position trading, the win rate is slightly more than 70. The last I checked, slightly more. Day trading is really not my forte, and the price I entered is always like not here nor there, that kind. Yeah, I make most of my profits from swing trading. Day trading is they are really, really good ones. Like I remember during the presidential election last year, I think around November or something, I went to buy MSTR. From a day trade, I converted it into a swing trade, right? By the time I close off everything, my risk reward is about 1:32 if I'm not wrong. Yes. So sometimes it does really well, sometimes it doesn't. I feel that my day trade is not consistent. I would rather do swing trade all the time. Okay, guys, thank you for the follow and thank you for the follow and sharing of the live streaming. Thank you. Yep, you see Amazon, lucky I wait, I keep waiting and waiting and waiting. Look at what is Amazon doing. It's coming back into the trend line. No confirmation. Mission abort. Okay, don't do anything aggressive as of today. Okay, chill a little bit. You don't have to trade every single day. You just have to find quality trades and then take them when the opportunity presents. Right now, everything is garbage. Okay, Charty, follow. Looking forward to learn more more about trading from you. Ken, thank you so much. I also hope you can learn more from me. Yeah, I'm also starting my own course. So maybe another month or two, you will be ready. If you like, definitely can join me. I think I will be a good mentor. You can spend a lot of time with me. I have a lot of time every single day. We can do live sessions, one-to-one sessions, no problem. Guys, are you all looking at any interesting stock, or instrument that maybe about to break out or maybe about to fire off? I keep scanning through everything over and over and over again, but yup, nothing, my friends. Yeah, likely I feel that the market will only present more opportunity next week. Right now, you see, I'm scanning through everything, but don't seem to be able to find any. UNH also the same thing. How about Visa? Visa is finally coming back already. Definitely need to wait. Oh, this is nice. This has been on my watch list for a while. CRM, Salesforce. I'm waiting for the breakout to take this trade. Okay, set an alert. Okay, let's go up to the daily time frame and see whether we can identify any sniper entry for this trade. So far no. Let's go down to the 4 hours. 4 hours we have here a small one after the gap up. Let's see. Okay, this might be one zone for you to wait. What happened to the box? But right now price is also inside the zone for the sniper entry, but of course try to wait when it comes below the 50% of this zone. Then from here can try to look for opportunity. But right now don't take anything, my brothers and sister. The market is not strong, so I just set the alarm at about 279. So if this can trigger either 279, okay, if CRM can trigger 279 or this trend line, I will come back again and look for opportunities. Okay, let me go down to 1 hour. Yep, this is all the analysis already. A quick one. How are your entries like? Do you use leverage? How much you risk, etc.? My entries are okay, what do you mean by how are your entries like? Do I use a buy limit, or I use a market order or something like that? And do I use leverage? Yes, I have two accounts. One is a trading account, which I do like day trading, swing trading, and position trading. And the other account is a purely long-term investment using a cash account. No leverage for that account. It's pure cash. Yeah, but trading account that's leverage, or you call it margin, both is actually the same thing. Then how much I risk? Usually my risk is 1% max. And when I do day trading all that, I might risk only maybe 0.3% or 0.5%. Oh, I need to do verification. One moment. Oi, why like that? Refresh. Hey, come on lah, TikTok, don't play with me or not. You know the verification says that I got no internet connection. I can't verify. My god. Oi, if I can't do this verification, my account will get banned again though. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, they like to do this live verification. I try to refresh, the image is not coming out. Holy shit, guys. Oh, it's out already, finally. Okay, let's verify, okay? If not, my account will get banned for don't know how many days again. Seriously, stupid TikTok. Okay, let's go back to the... earnings, NVIDIA earnings next week, is there or opportunity? Yes, that's the thing also about NVIDIA. I've already exited all my positions, so from now until earnings, do you know when is the earnings? Oh, okay, wait, over here on Wednesday. I don't have any existing running positions for NVIDIA. And to speculate for earnings on this coming Wednesday is not much time already. We only left with roughly about... Okay, NVIDIA earnings is always after market close, correct? So you left with max about 4 days. 4 days to identify your entries, your stop loss. Okay, soya milk. Do you buy stock with leverage or no leverage? Pure cash or with margin? If you are someone with pure cash, it's easier for you to speculate the earnings. But for me, because I'm actually using leverage, right, on my trading account, it's not that simple. You have to, look at all the areas where the price can drop to, all that, so you don't overexpose your account. Okay, yes, that's the thing. So I mean, of course, for you, it will be easier for you to, go and buy. Then after, if NVIDIA doesn't do well or something, it plunged down a bit, you can hold the position. But for someone who does trading, we don't have this, we can't hold, If we keep holding, our losses accumulate way too fast already, and easily will eat into your your capital or your gains, or that. Just I give you a simple example. I'm not too sure whether you do trading or not, but this is just a very, very simple one. So let's say on Wednesday, okay, itself, before market close, Nvidia price is exactly at right now. And let's say, because for earnings, usually, they can fly either direction, at least minimum about 10%. And if you draw this down for 10%, that means Nvidia can drop to maybe about 119.8 area. So let me just put a line over here. Let's say a horizontal line, 119.8, right? Okay, somewhere here I put a line. Then after that, if I use this long position thing and I entered here, because for trading usually I try to keep my stop loss a bit smaller. Then with okay, wait okay, then I put my stop loss over here. After that, if let's say after earnings, this Nvidia really seriously gap all the way down until this line, I'm going to be so dead though. Even if I risk like maybe 0.5% of my account, you see if I pull like this loss coming down, this one easily can extend a lot though. I think I need to flip this around. Wait. We see, we flip this around. We entered here. Okay, so the stop loss plus minus are around this size. So if Nvidia gap down, easily my loss will be 5 times already. 5 times of that 1%. Yeah, so when you are doing trading, earnings will be a little bit difficult for you to speculate. Okay, how about Apple APP? Is there such ticker symbol? APP. Oh, okay, have. APP is a wedge on daily. Okay, let's see, a wedge on daily. How do you actually identify the wedge? Because if you ask me, I think if you go to 4 hours, this part itself, it looks more like the wedge. Here. This looks more like the triangle or the wedge. Is it this? Because I think daily should be flag. Daily flag. Yeah, I think you should be talking about this current price action. You have this area, right? This one? Okay, can. Yes, this one looks more like a bull flag. A wedge, I don't think it fulfills my criteria though. Let me open up my MACD and I see whether it fulfills my criteria for a wedge or not. Or a triangle. For now, nope, it doesn't fulfill my criteria. Even if I use an indicator to help me to identify a triangle, nope, it doesn't fulfill. So this might not be a wedge, but instead it might be a bull flag. So if you go to the 4 hours, you can remove maybe this lower trend line, and then you can just duplicate this. Oi, what did I do? What did I do? Oh no. Okay, copy and paste. Yeah, you can duplicate, then maybe something like that, more like a bull flag. So maybe this part, it will consolidate a little bit more, then after you get more upside from here. Daily seems more obvious. Daily, because I'm not sure how you analyze the market. Because for me, I use Elliott wave, and for me, even when I just use Elliott wave, this is actually one whole impulse, and right now it looks like we are correcting over here. And after that, we might get the impulse going up. Is this what you are looking at? Hey guys, by the way, I found a new function. If you want to join me to live together, like you want to talk or something, right? We can do it now. Okay, if you like, can actually tell me, then after I can add you as a, I think, co-host or something like that. Okay guys, I'm actually looking at my own charts and I'm not too sure. I'm actually managing my positions. Yeah, because some of them is moving a little bit already. Let's see. What about SPY? Still the same, eh? Okay, Amazon, I will wait for a little bit more. Maybe another 30 minutes or something. Then maybe I will be more interested to buy then. Okay. Charty. Every single day, every single day, everyone asks me, brother, are you doing this full time? Okay, bro, I'm not doing, bro or sis, I'm not doing this full time, okay? My reason is very simple. Don't restrict yourself. If you can have multiple source of income, go ahead, go and do everything you can, start your business, do some sidelines, go and continue your job, go and do trading, everything. Okay, don't give up on us on something just to do trading. It's not worth it. Okay. Yeah, so for me, I do have my own business or that. Then at night I will do trading because like you can see over here, we are chit-chatting, trying to find opportunities, just waiting for something to happen. So if you are new to trading or something like that, before the market open or before you sleep, read some books, learn from YouTube, read some articles here and there. Definitely you can gain knowledge. Then after that, after a while, you will get so used to looking at charts or looking at certain things. You can do it so fast that you don't spend a lot of time. By the time you will most likely be like me, maybe about 30 minutes to 1 hour a day on trading, and that's it for you. Only right now because I'm doing live streaming, so I'm hosting at longer, and I have quite a lot of free time, so I can do it, no issues. Don't tell your mom. Heavy resistance 130 for Palantir. 130, yes, there is somewhere very near to the all-time high. Yes, correct. Okay, do you think crowd price action looks strong position trading? Okay, guys, wait, Tan, let me look at Palantir. Okay, Palantir is going to break out soon. I have an alert, just waiting for it to be triggered. So same goes for Amazon and Nvidia. I also don't know what is it doing. Don't have a setup that I normally trade at all. Okay, we can go to CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike. Price action looks strong position trading. Let's see. Do you notice something about CrowdStrike? Okay, I'm not too sure whether it will happen again or not. But this is something that I see is that, let's say the previous all-time high is here. After that, you can see that market came down, go up. After coming up to this high over here, breaking the previous all-time high, it pulled back, and after it went up again, breaking the previous high again. You can see that each break and over here to around here, each break, the move is not really large. Even if you compare this to the previous one, unless you're where do you want to place your stop loss for position trading? Because if you normally for position trading, your stop loss is definitely a bit wider, right? So if you from here, what I can see is that if you place just right under this current low of the candle of today, which I think is quite aggressive for a position trade already, and then you try to draw another, this rectangle almost the same size as this in length, something like that, you only have this much room to go. Maybe your risk reward is about 1:2, 1:3. If this is okay for you, definitely you can take. Now for me, I will consider, how large is my stop loss, where are my profit potentials, my risk reward, before I will take the trade. But for me, CrowdStrike, and the way I take position trade is also a bit different. I don't take when they start trending. I take when they start pulling back. Yeah, everyone has a different trading style. Of course, I think you will know what to do for your own style. For me, this type of with this type of price action, I will definitely maybe go to the 1 hour or something. I wait for a bit of pullback. I will take a swing trade rather than position trade. Okay, I closed my NVIDIA day trade too early. Right now is these few days I seriously don't have luck with day trading. It's so bad. Okay, let me identify. Okay, Joyce, NVIDIA not here, not there. Haha, yes, correct. Like, there's no pullback. There's no, a flag pattern or some sort, or even a very small correction or a flag over here for me to buy. It's just doing this since yesterday. Spike up, spike down. Right now, it looks more like a bear flag instead, or more downside into this zone, which is actually quite possible. But of course, this zone is not like there's no 100% hit rate. So there are times where sometimes the trade setups over here is actually quite nice. I will just take this instead of waiting for it to enter the zone. Yeah, if this time around I might miss NVIDIA. There's really no nice setup. Unlike this one, you see this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is also beautiful. Day trading forex easier than stocks. Dipping my toes in stocks, no idea how the price action work. Bro, when I initially started, I do forex for I think 1 year. I think forex is extremely difficult to trade. I think stocks is easier because stocks most of the time is actually like trending up, but then forex, you look at the chart, it's like in this whole range for maybe the past 50 years, 70 years or something like that. Yeah, there's no clear trend. Forex is really not my thing. I would rather trade stocks. I show you maybe on Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia might not be a very good example because it's an extremely strong company. Because this company is, the things they do is very, very difficult for someone to overtake them. Yeah, bro, if you look at Nvidia, the only thing you can see is, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and up. Right now, coming down. Something like that, okay? But then I show you Forex. Forex, yo. What is this called? Euro USD. I'm not, maybe you might be profitable in Forex, but really, bro, Forex is not my thing. Okay, I show you Forex. This I think should be the all-time high, right? Let's see the monthly chart. Yes, correct. This is the all-time high is here. The lowest point is here. And this started since 2008. And you are still in, this whole range. Wait, what did I do again? You're in this, whole range. There's no clear trend. That's why I find it really, really difficult. And this, this correction lasts for how many years really? 17 years. I don't think you will see a 17 years correction on stocks though. Usually about 2 years, 3 years, that's it really. Yeah, that's why once I entered stocks, I'm not going back anymore. It's easier to trade. But of course, they are definitely, very good Forex trader, but not me. Really, not me. Yeah, market is still weak. Should I be happy that I took off my Nvidia day trade for a very small loss rather than, taking the full loss? Okay. I have no idea how to trade Forex. I like stocks. You know why? Especially I'm not too sure where you're from, but then if you are from Singapore, I think stocks trading is almost the best thing for you already. Firstly, daytime you get to, do your business, do your work, all that. You're not like diversing yourself into two different tasks. Like you need to monitor your charts and then you need to do your work. So as a Singaporean, I think we have this advantage over here. So the market opens at 9:30. You only start trading at this time. By the time, I think most of us are already at home. We are not working anymore. So you can fully concentrate on trading. And secondly, if you're a Singaporean, there's no capital gain tax. Although there are dividend, the dividend tax, but it's not really a lot. 30%, just let them take lah. You come to a stock market, you are not looking for dividend gains unless you are someone who has like 5 million in your account. Okay, I think you can talk about dividend. But if your account is smaller than 5 million, I think there's no point, not much of a point to look at dividends. So this, I think, is the two best thing as Singaporean traders in the stock market. Can talk a bit about SPX chart. Can. But bro, can we look at SPY? It's actually the same thing. This is like the mini version. Yes. If you are US citizen, they are okay. As a US citizen, if you make money from trading or investment, all that is considered your income tax like Singapore. So it's calculated into your income tax. And they are paying a lot. I think if you are doing short-term trading, the tax is 30%. And if you are doing long-term trading, the tax is 20%. Long-term investment is 30%, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, you can read about that. So as Singaporean, you should be happy lah. Yeah, imagine you are US residents, and someday maybe you are someone who aspires to become a full-time trader. Then imagine you want to, focus on trading while working at the same time. It's not going to be easy. But for us, we have this advantage over here. After your work, you go home, you can take a nap for 30 minutes or something, refresh yourself, then you come back into the chart, which I normally do. Nice, nice. Okay, SPY. What you want to know about SPY? SPY for me right now, if you look at the daily chart, I have this white color sloping up trend line. So this is one of your support for SPY. Then after that, you go down to the 4 hours. 4 hours, right? This part we can just focus on this part itself because currently the market price is here, right? So we focus on here. Then after I can open the 200 and 100 SMA for you, and you can see that. Okay, before I open that, wait. Let me go back. Let me show you another part first. We scroll out a little bit, okay, just a little bit. This green color horizontal line is actually your support, because if you just look left, right, this is quite a good support area. Of course, if you want a zone, you can put on another one on the this is what the Donald Trump calls the Liberation Day, okay? The day he announced the reciprocal tariff and the whole market tanked. Yep, so you can definitely put like one resistance, one support line here, another support line here. Okay, so I think these two parts is actually quite a strong area. So if you want, the price is 570 to 576. Okay, and based on this, and if you open up the 100 and 200 EMA, you can see this green color horizontal line and this sloping up trend line, including the EMAs, they are all like in a confluence at about 576, 575 area. So I think the market will, chop around here a little bit, and after I come to about 576 before we start the rally. This is my thought lah, but don't know will happen or not. But usually I think it's quite accurate. Yeah, that's the thing about SPY. I like to look at SPY if the overall market doesn't look like there's strength or that whatever stocks, the rest of the stocks, I will also be a bit more careful. I'm thinking of entering AMPL. What is AMPL? AMPL. Oh, I don't know what stock is this. Oh, the breakout here, right? AMPL, what type of stock is this? What company is it like a tech company or? This actually looks quite interesting, huh? You want to enter the breakout, you where's your stop loss? Where's your target area? Do you have one? Okay, while you type, I go and take some water, okay? Give me a minute. Okay, I'm back. Let's see. Okay, I'm thinking. Okay, stop loss low of today. TP1 is to 3. Possible. We have some stocks. I think they are going up a little, right? Yeah, possible if you want to take this breakout. Is there any confirmation or not? Under the low of today, can give it a shot if you want. Definitely can give it a shot. But because for me, right, the breakout, like, okay, it's actually, okay, wait, let me just adjust the trend line a bit better. Yep, you can see if I adjust the trend line, it's like just, the candle is just picking out. So for me, there's no confirmation. Yeah, but of course, the second candle, let me just delete this. The second candle looks okay. Looks like the bulls are actually coming in and it's not pushing price down. So this is another plus point that you can consider before taking the trade. But I see that you looks more like a trader. Yeah, so you know where to place your stop loss, all that, which is good. You can try if you want. What is IB? Yesterday IB. What is IB? Oh, inside bar. Inside bar is this, is it? Yesterday inside bar. Wait, is it this? This one. Correct? Daily time frame. Oh. Inside bar. I don't know how inside bar look like though. I don't use that. Yesterday inside bar. How that? Okay, wait. Inside bar. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, this is one example. Mother bar, inside bar. Mother bar, inside bar. Your mother bar needs to be bigger. And okay, this should be your mother bar, this. Okay, then this one is the inside bar, man. No one. This one doesn't look like the inside bar though. This one looks more like a, what is it called? I also don't know, have no idea what is it called. Yeah, because inside bar, the body needs to be quite big. Isn't it? So far from here, the one that I saw, it looks more big. Yeah, this one I think is a good example. Inside bar, outside bar. Yeah, maybe I believe you know your strategy more than me. Yeah, if this can fulfill a criteria, definitely take it. Is looking not bad. At least you have a stop loss. I think your stop loss is also a good distance. You did give it a bit of room for it to breathe before, you know, this thing can start firing off from here. Yeah, your stop loss is at 13.4. No. Wait, Stop loss low of today. Low of today is here. Yeah, can. Looks good. Looks very good for your stop loss. Okay, now I will start to... Okay, the stocks that I like are all not moving. Okay. Did I see Amazon? Yes, no confirmation for me. Really no confirmation. Although sometimes it does break out like this, but at this current moment, you know, this one looks more like a, bear flag to go down even more. How about Palantir? Oh, Palantir is breaking out. Nice. Okay, if I were to take the trade here, where should I place my stop loss then? This is also breaking out of a structure. Let's see the 50 minutes. Yeah, if you have the time, you can monitor for a little bit of pullback before buying. Yeah, but I think by the time I have already went to bed. Should I add on my position and place a stop? Okay, there's one more gap here. Let's see. Wait, where's the box? Okay, there's one more here, a small one. Okay, if I enter now, I can place my stop loss at 121.5, which is pretty large though. Okay, no worries. I will place at 123. But then if there's a need to, I will expand down to about 121, I think. Down counter then up counter, 60% versus 40%. Yes, me too, me too. The market is definitely weak. But you know, Palantir is a stock that defies all logic. I have been trading it for I think a year plus or something. Palantir is just amazing. It's seriously one of the most amazing stock. Yeah, that 1 year plus, I tell you what, this Palantir give me a lot of profit. Even like right now, let's check this. See how's the market condition right now. Yep, the rest are all not doing well. Google, you see, Palantir 4.08%. The highest in here already, 4.08% for Palantir. Wow. Yeah, I think I might try to take this in a short while before I go to sleep. Yes, tech mostly all green today, correct? But you know, it's scary when the techs are green, but then the overall market is red. Like around 70% of them are all red. Meta is not strong. I think the only strong one are Google, Microsoft, and Palantir. Yeah, Microsoft is still alright. Yeah, Palantir is definitely strong. How about the 4 hours? Okay, I would like to see larger volume, but the volume seems like it's pretty small though. Is it for Palantir? Yep, it's still pretty small. I think Palantir definitely can wait. Don't need to rush. Just wait for a small consolidation around this trend line area before taking the trade going up. And no zone here. Yeah, but maybe I will also set the alarm at over here at about 123.05 around here to see whether Palantir can come back into this smaller zone area. From here, I might try to take it up. So my risk reward will be extremely good. Right now, even if I take the breakout, my risk reward is not fantastic. Okay, I haven't checked the 5 minutes, right? Yeah, 5 minutes. We do have another extremely small zone, which is here. But I don't think this will hold up very well. It's way too small already. So maybe I'll wait for this one at about 123 area. Okay guys, I think another 5 minutes or so, I'm going to end the live stream already. If y'all have any questions, can ask. If not, I will see you tomorrow. I'm also quite tired right now because I have been doing a trading board for my group like full 2 days already, from morning all the way until night before I start the live stream. I have been sitting right in front of the computer trying to trying to code, trying to fix the board, all that. I'm not a programmer, or I have no knowledge in trading, no knowledge in coding, but I use like ChatGPT, Perplexity, help me to, do all the codes. Okay, SPY looks like, yeah, right now it is this zone around this trend line to 580 to about 576. But of course, I might be wrong because we also have this part. We have this like trend line support. So SPY is actually pretty close already. Let me see. How about the 50? What's the 50 doing? 50 EMA doing. Where's the 50? Oh no, it's very far away. How about the 20? Also quite a distance away. Yep, so I'm not too sure whether this trend line resistance support will hold or not. Oh, Eric Tan, thank you so much for the follow. I'll be doing this live streaming every day for at least an hour or so. Tesla, wasted. Yeah, Tesla, I identified like this zone, but it's because of the market condition. I didn't pull the trigger. Usually when they come into my this like boxes or zone area, I will enter the trade. But today, nope. I never entered. Palantir, Tesla, and AMD that came into the box. I think just for us, for everyone over here, just be a little bit more patient. Okay, Google, I might want to... Later on, I might shift my stop loss even higher. Maybe to around here, 170.7. Maybe around here, just to tighten it up. Let me see what's the risk reward for Google as of right now. Where's my Google? Oh, my Google risk reward is fantastic. Right now, I risk... How much is this? Less than $3. So just round it up to $3. From 160 to here is about $13. So about 1:4 now. Yes, slightly more than 1:4. Yep, I will just tighten it. Tighten to here. 170.7. So if I get taken out, maybe I close with 1:3 plus. Adobe, nothing. AVGO, nothing. Are you guys aggressive or defensive as of right now? I know Tantan is more defensive. He says about 60% defensive. Are you all in good profits for the past 1 month, 2 months? What did I close off? Oh, okay. Oh, I accidentally closed off the live stream on Instagram. Okay, guys, I think that's it for today's session. We will end it. I will see you tomorrow again. Okay, take care, my friends. Have a good rest. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye. See you, Joyce.